How to get unbanned from Facebook Marketplace. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Launch your Facebook application from your device. Now, for some reason, if you are banned in your Facebook Marketplace, then the only way you can fix this is by reporting or just adding a ticket. Tap on the menu bar on your right-hand side. Expand the option of Help and Support. Under here, you have to tap on Report a Problem. Then untoggle this button, and then tap on Report Problem. Tap on Include, and here choose the option of Marketplace. If you have violated any terms and conditions of the Facebook Marketplace, you're going to have to type in an apology. So make sure that you type in all the things that you need to ask for Facebook and also request them to unban you from Facebook Marketplace. Once you do so, if you have any screenshot that may prove that you are innocent, then you can tap on this Upload from Phone and upload an image from there. Once done, you have to tap on the send icon on your top right. It will take a couple business days. It can also take up to 1 month. It depends upon the terms and conditions that you have violated for your Facebook Marketplace account. Make sure that you are patient till the end, and then you will be unbanned from your Facebook Marketplace and continuing your business. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If you had found this to be helpful, then do like and subscribe.